Hi Ray, a quick request on the demo page after someone has clicked to a page and come back again. So we're at this point with the click here down there. There's this tooltip which comes up. So click the image to go to this page. Can we remove this tooltip? Click the image to go to this page in this version. We've already mentioned it, and they should be aware that clicking on the image goes to the page at this stage. And if I log in, the tooltip is not there. It's only purely for the demo. Once they've clicked on one page and come back and at this tooltip stage. So yeah, if we could remove that, that would be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.